Planning to move to Spain? Intrigued by the paperwork and visa requirements? You're in the right place. Welcome to Spain for EXPATS series, produced by Top Travel and Food. Today we're going to tackle everything you need to know about Spanish visas and paperwork, including the general time frame it takes to process these documents. We'll delve into the different types of visas, from study and work visas to retirement visas, each with its own distinct requirements and procedures. Though the process might take from weeks to months depending on your visa type, it might seem daunting, but don't fret. We're here to simplify it for you. Stay tuned as we break down each type of visa, the associated paperwork, and the time it takes to get them processed. Spain offers a variety of visas based on your purpose for staying. For those planning to further their education in this beautiful country, a study visa is essential. This academic course-specific visa is typically processed within about 3 months. One fundamental requirement is enrollment in a Spanish educational institution. Next, have the work visa, a perfect option for lucky individuals who have landed a job in Spain. The processing time for this visa can be up months, so patience is needed. A sponsorship from your Spanish employer is critical, and don't forget to keep your employment contract handy at all times. Lastly, we introduce the retirement visa, crafted for those dreaming of enjoying their retirement years under the soothing Spanish sun. This visa takes approximately 2 months to process. The primary requirement is that you have sufficient funds to support yourself without the need to work. In conclusion, it's important to note that all visas come with their unique and application procedures. The processing times stated are merely average estimates and can fluctuate. Identifying the visa that applies to you is the first significant step in your journey to Spain. Once you've determined your visa type, the next stage involves working your way through the paperwork. This might seem intimidating at first, but it's essential to remember that it's merely a process that usually takes about 1 to 2 months. The general paperwork involves an application form, passport photos, proof of financial means, and health insurance. Let's start with the application form. This is your first step, where you will fill in your personal information and your reason for the stay. Next in line are passport photos. Make sure they are recent and strictly adhere to the specific guidelines. Proof of financial means is also a vital component. It's to demonstrate that you can financially sustain yourself during your stay. And finally, insurance, ensuring it covers you throughout your stay. Now let's discuss the administrative at the ayuntamiento and extranjería. These tasks, which involve registering your stay and handling other administrative aspects, typically take approximately 1 week to finalize. These are your local and foreigners' offices, respectively. The paperwork might appear overwhelming, but with careful preparation and enough time, it can indeed be a seamless. Remember, moving to a new country involves a lot of planning and preparation. We've covered the essentials for you, types of visas including those for study, work, and retirement, each taking between 2-3 months to process. The administrative paperwork required at the ayuntamiento and extranjería can take another month or so. It's to remember, though, that each visa type has its own specific requirements and timeframes, so don't forget to check them out. With these steps and an understanding of the time involved, you're well prepared.
Welcome to the Spain for Expats series, your ultimate guide to living, working, and thriving in Spain.
Whether you're dreaming of relocating to Spain or already living here, our series is packed with tips, insights, and inspiration to help you make the most of your expat journey.
Join us as we explore Spain's most vibrant cities, from the bustling streets of Barcelona, through the picturesque streets of Bilbao, to the charming villages of the Costa Blanca and Costa Dorada.
Get insider tips from fellow expats who have navigated the joys and challenges of life in Spain. From finding the perfect tapas spot to mastering the Spanish language, we've got you covered.
Guys, stay tuned for episodes of the Spain for Expats series, your passport to the ultimate expat experience in Spain.